Hi, friends, and happy Thursday. It is time for science. So, friends, just to recap, the past couple weeks we have been talking about living and non living things. And we have learned that living things need things like air, water, food to be able to live and survive and grow and have energy to do the things that they are made to do. They are living, they move. They can also make other things like them. So, for example, humans can make other humans, animals can make other animals, things like that. Okay, then we also talked about non living things. And remember, friends, non living things, they do not need air, food, or water to live because they're non living. They don't move. They need a living thing to move them. So, for example, a rock is just a rock. It's just going to lay there. It's not going to move. It's not going to grow. It's not going to change. It's not going to eat, drink, or observe the air in the atmosphere. It needs a human, a living thing, to go pick it up and move it and put it somewhere. Okay? So it seems like you guys are getting that and understanding what living things and non living things are, which I'm super duper proud of you. So today we are going to play a game and do an activity. And then next week we're going to wrap up this lesson by reviewing and answering some questions. So today we're going to play a game first and then I'll explain the activity. So can everybody please put their learning caps on, their thinking brains on, their thinking caps. Turn your ears on and turn the volume way up, please. You need to pretend that you're in class with Miss Rudolph. So pretend you're here with me and we're going to play this game together. How this is going to go is this is called Boom. Can you say boom? Yeah, so we're going to play this game called Boom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a card. These are called my Boom cards. And you're going to tell me if the picture is a living thing or a non-living thing. And then if you get that right, we're going to say Boom, just like that. Okay, and we're going to get to celebrate. So this is just a little review. Then after this, you'll have an activity to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So right here, we have a donut, a yummy, yummy donut, and we need to decide if it's living or non-living. Living or non-living. So let's think. We have our thinking caps on. We have our, we're listening, we're thinking. This is a donut. It doesn't breathe. It doesn't drink water. So is it living or non-living, friends? That's right. Ding, 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 ding. It is non-living. It does not breathe. It does not need food, water, or anything like that to live. It does not change. Once somebody makes a donut, it's the donut. The only change is the human, the living thing might eat it. But it does not move or anything. So it is non-living. So let's watch what happens when I click this. Yay! We got a ding. Everybody give me a boom, boom, boom. Good job. All right, friends, let's do the next card. This is a picture of a giraffe. Oh, isn't he so cute? Okay, so this is a picture of an animal called a giraffe. Now, some of you might think that it's a stuffed animal, but I want you to be thinking in your head that this isn't like an animal that you might see at a zoo, okay? Because I know it kind of looks like a stuffed animal, but so you might say one thing. But I really want you to think that this is a animal that you might see at a zoo. Is it living or non-living? That's right. Great job. It is living. This is a giraffe that needs food, water, and air to live. These giraffes can make other giraffes. They change because when they're born, they're little and then they get bigger and bigger. So they are living. Good job. Everybody give me a boom, boom, boom. Good job. All right, my beautiful first graders, here's another one. Don't let this trick you. Okay, do you guys know what this is? Yeah, that's right. Kiss your brain. It is an octopus. So just like the other one, I want you to pretend it's not a stuffed animal. I want you to pretend this might be something that you might see in the ocean. So is this a living thing or a non-living thing? Living, that's right. So this is a living thing. It needs food to survive, things like that. It changes. It starts out as a little octopus and gets bigger and bigger. It can one octopus can make another octopus, things like that. Great job. Awesome. Give me a boom, boom, boom. Great job. All right. Ooh, this is a stinky trash can. Stinky trash can. Okay. So is this a living thing or a non-living thing? Non-living. That's right. This does not move. It does not eat. It does not drink water. A trash can does not make another trash can, so it is non-living. Great job. Boom, boom, boom. Are you getting all these right? I hope you are. Okay, friends. Ooh, we have some beautiful jewelry. It looks like we have a bracelet or a necklace. It could be a necklace and a ring. Is this non-living or living? Non-living. That's right. These things do not eat, drink, breathe. They don't move. They don't make other jewelry. They are non-living. Good job. You guys are doing awesome. Okay, this is a cool guy. He's an astronaut. This is a guy that goes in space to explore, like where the moon and the other planets are. Is this a living thing or a non-living thing? That's right. It's living. Very good. This is a person, a human just like you and me. And we need food, water, and air to breathe and live. We start as a baby and then we change over time and we get bigger because we eat good food and it makes us grow and things like that. We can also make other humans. Very good. Give me a boom, boom, boom. All right. This is a cute little ant. Is this living or non-living? Living, that's right. It moves, it breathes, different things like that. Great job. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is a donkey. Donkey, donkey, donkey. You might see one of these at the farm or at the zoo. And we've also learned that the donkey brought Mary to Bethlehem when she was having baby Jesus. Is this a living thing or a non-living thing? Great job, living. That's right. The donkey needs air, the donkey needs water and food to live and grow. Very good. You guys are doing awesome. Okay, let's go a little faster this time because I think you guys have got it. What is this? It's a bumblebee. Is this living or non-living? That's right. Very good. It's living. Boom, boom, boom. You guys are doing awesome. I'm super duper proud of you. Ooh, this is an ice cream cone. A yummy, yummy ice cream cone. Who likes ice cream? I know I do. Okay, friends, is this living or non-living? That's right. It is non-living. It doesn't move. It doesn't eat. Nothing like that. Great job. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's look at this. This is a cute little frog. Living or non-living? Living. Good job. Ooh, a nice fire. I love sitting by the fire and doing s'mores. But this is a fire. Is it living or non-living? Non-living. That's right, because it doesn't eat or anything like that. Very good. These are some leaves. Are these living or non-living? Living, that's right. They need oxygen to breathe. They change over time, right? Because they adapt to their climate and different things like that. Good job. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. All right, we have a beach ball, a beautiful beach ball. Is this living or non-living? Non-living, that's right. Very good. Oh, a cute little fish. Living or non-living? Living, that's right. You guys are doing good at this. This is an iguana. Have any of you seen an iguana before? They're very cute. All right, is this living or non-living? Living, that's right. They need air to breathe. They eat, different things like that. Good job. Boom, boom, boom. You guys are doing good with your boom cards. Okay, this is a fan. Is it living or non-living? It is non-living because it doesn't move, it doesn't change, it doesn't eat. Good job. A drum set. Living or non-living? Non-living. Great job. Boom, boom, boom. An elephant. A cute little elephant. Living or non-living? Living. He breathes. He grows. He changes over time. He can make another elephant. All that. Good job. A diamond. Living or non-living? Non-living. That's right. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, here's a feather. Now don't get tricked by this one. Is this living or non-living? Non-living. You might see feathers on a living thing, but this is not living. Very good. Ooh, this looks like a gorilla. Living or non-living? Living. Very good. And a crown that a princess or a king or queen wears. Living or non-living? Non-living. It doesn't eat, it doesn't breathe, it doesn't move. Good job. Boom, boom, boom. And then we have a beautiful eagle, living or non-living? Living. It breathes, it eats, it grows, it changes over time. All that. Good job. All right, last one. This is a flower, and we're going to start learning about this after Christmas break. We're going to be learning about plants. Is this living or non-living? Living. It needs air, it needs sun, it needs nutrients from the ground. That's how it eats. Things like that. Good job. Very, very good. You guys did awesome. So now what I'm going to show you is your activity that you're going to do today. So you are going to have this activity on Seesaw. The first thing you do is always the same. You pick up your pencil and you write your name. Don't worry about the date. Now, if it's hard to write on Seesaw, I totally understand. What I want you to do is get a piece of paper that mom and dad or your grown-up says it's okay to write on. Then you can basically just write your name and the answer on that. You don't have to do it on Seesaw, okay? But this will be the example there. It said, is this plant alive? Then it says, is this book alive? What you need to do is write one sentence telling me if this plant is alive and why, okay? And you need to write a sentence telling me, is this book alive and why? So for example, I might say, this plant is alive because it can grow. Okay? And I want to remind you, friends, what does a good sentence always need? It starts with a capital letter. We have finger spacing. It has an end mark and it makes sense. So what I need you to do is look at this plant, tell me if it's alive, and then tell me why you think it's alive or not alive, whatever you think, okay? Look at this book. Is it alive? Yes or no? And then tell me why, if it's alive or not alive, okay? And what I want you to do is, like I said, print it out, or you can just write your answer on another piece of paper, because I know sometimes writing on the Seesaw tools is hard. So I recommend you printing it or just finding a piece of paper and writing your sentences. Then you can take a picture of your answers for the plant. Is it alive and why? And the book, is it alive and why? And then take a picture of your work and then put it on Seesaw under the activity for today. All right, my beautiful friends, I hope you had fun today. I know I did, and I will see you later. Bye.